Hey, good morning, friendly holiday camp. We are going to tie some knots, and I will start by showing you what you need. Now, I have the first knot that I'm going to show you is called a half hitch, and in order to tie a half hitch, I need something to tie the rope around, and then I need a rope. And when you color the ends different colors, and I just used a Sharpie, then it makes it easier to remember which is which. Now, if you just have a black Sharpie, if you just color one end, then that'll work too. All right, happy tying knots. One more thought for you on your half hitch knot. Now, when Belle learned how to tie a half hitch knot, she was told it's called an overhand knot. And the difference between a half hitch and an overhand knot is really what you use your knot for. Since our knots are being used to start other knots, it's referred to as a half hitch. If you are going to use it independently, then it's more of an overhand knot, although those terms are still kind of interchangeable. You'll see in a different craft tomorrow that we will actually tie what we will refer to as an overhand knot because we're tying strings together and it's not a working knot. If it is a working knot, then it is called a hitch. And we can get way into that because I used to work with knots. Mechanical engineering, we used to work with knots and what's cool and what's not cool. So call it a half hitch the way we're using it. Talk to you later. Bye. We take a rope, we wrap it around our water bottle here. Now it doesn't matter which one is on top. But if we're going to learn how to tie a square knot later, which the half hitch is the first part, then let's just go ahead and say right over left. I already have them crossed. Right over left, and then the one on the top goes under and through. And there is your half hitch. You girls ready to learn how to tie a half hitch?
Yes.
Now that I've shown you how to tie some knots, how about we have Chloe learn how to tie those knots? Now remember, we're going to tie our half hitch. So we put our rope around, cross them over, and we do right over left and swoop it under. And pull it tight. Right here, you pull this. Remember, it's on the left side now. You make an X. When it's on the left side, you swoop it with your left hand and keep pulling it on your left.
Thank you, no.
Okay. Let me show Chloe, who actually tied it perfectly, what I just showed Kitty. See, you have your right and your left.
Yeah.
When you cross them right over left, we pull the whole end of the ropes. So now this is on the left side, so we bring it with our left hand, and then when we go to tighten it, we pull it to the left. If you tighten it and you pull it, you get a twist in the rope, and usually it doesn't go. So there is your half hitch. Wow, very nice, ladies. Good job. We'll see you later. Bye. Bye.